Okay, so to do this problem, this goes back to calculus basic. If you want to find the slope of a tangent line, in calculus, slope means dy dx. So how can we get dy dx from an equation without x and y? Okay, so if you only have polar equations to start with, then you need to convert some of those, well, only just the r. You need to convert the r and get in terms of x and y. So here are some equations to help you get r in terms of x or y. Okay, so x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta. We'll divide cosine theta to get r by itself, or sine theta to get r by itself in terms of y. So I'm going to bring in that first equation. X over cosine theta equals 4 sine theta. Okay, multiply cosine theta over. All right, so we have that ready to go. We can take that derivative in a bit. I'm going to set up the other equation. Multiply sine theta over. All right, now for both equations, I'm going to take the derivative. Once I do that, for example, derivative x will give me dx d theta. Taking derivative in terms of theta now, I'm going to have to use the product rule. This. So dx d theta will be 4 cosine squared theta minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay, double check something real quick. Yeah, and for dy d theta, it's a little easier just using the product rule. The power rule, chain rule. 8 sine theta times derivative sine theta, which is cosine theta. Okay. Then what you can do is go ahead and plug in theta equals pi over 3 to each of the expressions, because now you can get the derivatives at theta equals pi over 3. It's going to take some trig work as well. 4 cosine pi over 3 squared minus 4 sine pi over 3 squared. Cosine pi over 3 will be 1/2 sine pi over 3 is 3 over 2 squared. I'll give you 1. 3 over 3/4, so that's be 3. So this will be negative 2. Over here, sine pi over 3 is 3 over 2 times 1/2. Okay, so we multiply this through 4 root 3. So that will give you 2 root 3. And that's what dy d theta will be. The whole point of this is to get dy dx. And the way you do that is you can divide by these two expressions. Dividing by fractions means you're multiplying by the reciprocal. You know, with dy dx, which means that you're going to substitute this for dy d theta and this negative 2 for dx d theta. So you're really doing 2 root 3 over negative 2. That's negative root 3 right